Hey friends, I have a quick question for you all. Do you all know what is the most dirtiest thing in your house? Well, any guesses? Let me tell you. It is this. Exactly. Switchboards, switches. Why is it the most dirtiest? Is because if it's in the kitchen, you have sometimes dirty, greasy fingers touching those switches. If you have kids in the house, you could have hands filled with paint and that's there touching the switch. Or if you're dusting, cleaning the house, you have dusty hands, fingers touching those switches. So what are you going to do to clean those switches? Because of course we know switches are electrical circuit unit. We cannot use water, otherwise you're going to have another short circuit. So what can you do? I am not going to give you any toothpaste hack. It is quite the common way of cleaning your switchboards. However, I'm going to advise you something which is very quick and safe at the same time. How you will use it is what I'm going to show you on this hack today. So getting back to the switches, as you see how much dirty it is, what we'll do is we'll take a cloth and just damp it little with water. If there is any excess water, please squeeze it out so that it is just right damp enough. Then add any toilet cleaner. Exactly, toilet cleaner, Harpic, Mr. Muscle, anything. Just add a bit and use that damp cloth to just wipe the dirt. Now let me tell you, with this what happens is you'll be surprised how quick the dirt goes away. Usually if you clean with toothpaste, you need to take a cleaning brush and keep brushing it very nicely so that the dirt goes away. With this, with minimal effort, you have to just keep on wiping. And the best part about this is you do not need to worry that any water is going to go inside the electrical circuit because your cloth will be just damp. So we'll just run through this scrubbing process, otherwise it's going to take a lot of time. And as you can see, the switch is very neat. This is the before and after result. Hope you all have liked this hack, and as always, it's a request, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting hacks.